Monday, Monday, so good to me. Monday morning, it was all I hoped it would be.
Well, it's been a while, girls, since we've been together, so it might not be a bad idea to do some vocal exercises. Oh no, not the vocals. Yes, the vocals. Would you rather do na-ne-ni-no-noo-ni, na-ne-ni-no-noo-ni, na-ne-ni-no-noo, or Little Tommy Tittlemouse lived in a little house? Well, I'm not doing either one. You left us, and now I'm leaving you. Goodbye. I quit. Dee Dee, you can't just quit. You can't just leave. I am sick and tired of Anne pulling all the strings. From now on, I am going to be my own puppet. It will be my way or the highway. Well, we'll see how far that gets you. In case you haven't noticed, you're a puppet. A puppet, Dee Dee. A puppet. So, puppets need someone to think for them, to manage their every move, their every word. You mean like robots? Exactly. Like robots.